This is a trade I took on a BTC. It went straight to take profit. This is another one. This one is gold. Same thing, straight to take profit. And this one is on Euro USD. I'm still in this trade while making this video. One thing is common with all these trades. I would have missed all three if not for that one thing. That one thing is what I want to show you in this video. This is the golden zone. The zone where price comes back to before almost every clean move. The zone where I take almost every trade I enter. But knowing the zone is one part of the equation. You have to know how to take trades from the zone. These two things I'll be teaching you in this video. So what is the golden zone? The golden zone is a Fibonacci level between 0.62 and 0.79. And don't worry, I will show you this on the chart real soon. If you trade ICT, you might know this same area as OTE, optimal trade entry. So it's the same zone, just different name. But before we go into the chart, let me just throw more light on what Fibonacci even is. Fibonacci was an Italian mathematician from the 13th century. He is famous for a number of sequences that showed up everywhere in nature. So you see it in flower petals, in seashells, in the spiral of the galaxy. From that sequence, you get specific ratios, 0.62, 0.79, and a few others. Traders later noticed that price on the charts often pull back to the exact same ratio before continuing. And nobody fully knows why, but it happens often enough that it became a standard tool in technical analysis. So Fibonacci is just that, a tool to measure how deep price has pulled back in a move. And the 0.62 and the 0.79 range is the deepest part of the healthy pullback. That is the golden zone. Now, let me show you exactly how to draw this on the chart and how I use it to take the three trades I showed you earlier in this video. Now, before I continue, this video has a sponsor, Delta Exchange. So give me 1 minute to talk about the offer. On Delta Exchange, you can trade futures, perpetuals, and options on BTC, ETH, and altcoin with up to 200x leverage. What makes Delta Exchange different is that you can also trade perpetuals on passcode and on US stocks like Tesla, Nvidia, Amazon, Google, and Meta. So you can trade those alongside your crypto on the same platform. But the real reason to look at Delta is the fee. Most crypto exchanges charge around 0.05% in takers fee. Delta charges 0.01%. That is 5 times lower. On a $10,000 trade, you are paying $1 in fees instead of $5. Now stretch that over hundreds of trades a year and you are keeping thousands of dollars in your account. On the option side, you are paying 0.01% on notional, capped at 7% of the premium. Spreads on BTC and ETH options are under 2 BPS, and you can trade deep out of the money and in the money strike with daily and weekly expiries. They also have a strategy builder, so if you're running multi-leg options play, you can do them directly on the platform. The link is in the description. All right, so let's start with how you draw the Fibonacci. So if you go to your TradingView, this here, it says Fibonacci retracement. So this is the tool. So when you click on it, you can draw it this way. Now this is a modify Fibonacci that I have. So you can actually modify it to mine or use the TradingView default. If you want to modify it to mine, I will show you the settings. So if I click on settings, so this is the settings. You can see I had 0 and 0.62 in Fibonacci. You see 0.618, but I made my own 0.62. So this is the setting I'm using, including the background. I removed the background and all that. So you can use this or use the TradingView default. It's almost the same thing. So if you look at this now, if you are trying to go long, if you want price to go up, right? You take the Fibonacci, draw from the bottom to the top, okay, left to right. Then you can see here, this is a 6-2. The 6-2, I marked it as color yellow and 79 color yellow as well. So this is my golden zone. So this zone from here is golden zone. I used to call this optimal trade entry, but for me, I just call it my golden zone. Okay, now so that is the Fibonacci 11. Now if you're going short, you take it from the top to the bottom. Okay, you can see it's now on top. Also 6279 is the golden zone. Again, I'm going to click on settings. You can pause this video to set yours like this. Okay, now let's go to the real chart. If you've been following my video, you will know that I teach a lot of these things. So it's almost the same setup I use. All right, consistency is the key. So if you look at this is Bitcoin. And when I did a live class, I took a trade from here. You guys saw it. So don't forget to attend my lives on Mondays. Now, the next step is this. This is the top. We did a break of structure over here, BOS. Okay, you can see that, which means price is meant to continue downwards. And to know where price is going to retrace to before coming down, we simply take the Fibonacci 2 from this top, because we're going short, take it from this top here, then draw it all the way down to the bottom here, to this button, then I extend. You see that? So that is where I now mark this my golden zone. Okay, that's why I got this golden zone, and I can now remove the Fibonacci 2. Yeah, all I expect is that price comes here and go low. Okay, and this zone is simply my target. So how do I take this trade? Because you don't just take the trade. There are things that happens. Currently, I'm a 15 minutes time frame, but I usually do this on the 1 hour time frame. So I'm going back to the 1 hour. Now, all I'm interested is this. When price gets here, I look for confirmation entry in the 5 minutes time frame. So that's what is for price to get to the golden zone. So let's play this and see that happen. Now, once price tap into this zone, we then go to the 5 minutes time frame. Okay, so in the 5 minutes time frame, all I have to do is simply the same thing. Wait for a break of structure, but this is internal break of structure. Then this is now an internal change of character. Then I can now take this trade. Take this trade from here, short position from here. Okay, stop loss is at the high. Take profit is at this low. What is most important is that this gives you at least a risk-reward ratio of 3. Okay, this one is even giving us 4. Now let's see how this goes. You see this tapped in. So this tapped in and hits the profit nicely. This is a Bitcoin trade. Now the second trade I took was on gold. I'm going to show you exactly how it happened. So you can see again we have a break of structure here. This one trade I also took here. Had a break of structure here. Then if you take this 2 from this top, the Fibonacci 2 from the top, you drag it all the way down to the bottom and extend, you will notice again that this is a golden zone. The yellow zone I marked out is in golden zone. Now watch again. I also draw out the 4-hour supply zone. Okay, some people only trade with the supply zone, but you see that you will see in this trade that the trade did not get into the supply zone. Only the golden zone was sufficient enough for this trade to go. So let's play it. Again, once we have a tap in, you simply just go to the 5 minutes time frame or even 15 minutes time frame to take a trade. So again, you can see here that we now have a break of structure over here. Again, this is internal break of structure, and over here is a change of character. Right? Now, one way to take this trade is this. From the change of character, you can take a short position immediately from here, okay, to this high and target this low. This gives a 3.5 now, which is an excellent trade. But one thing I did here is this. I still use the Fibonacci tool again. So watch this from this top to the bottom. My area of interest is the golden zone, and I can simply just do this. Put my tool here, my stop loss above, and my take profits at the bottom here. This ended up giving me even a bigger risk reward ratio, 4.7. Now let's see how this plays out. So you can see I'm using the Fibonacci tool 2 times, the golden zone twice in this case. You can see price went straight, tap into the golden zone. Okay. Eventually we have take profits smashed. So this is straightforward. Now this is the trade I'm currently in, and I'm going to show you exactly how that happens. I'm actually in this trade, but not this one. This one is, so this is the one. So we have actually hit take profit right now while making this video. You can see it was the same thing, simple. We had a breakout structure here. Okay, take this to the higher time frame. My intention was to trade this all the way over here and trade it down because of this breakout structure here, but I decided to trade it even from here, to take a long position from here. So this is an example of a long position trade, and we use the same Fibonacci here. So from here, you will see that we did internal breakout structure, change of character here. Then if you take the Fibonacci tool from the bottom here and you take it to the high here and drag it across, you see the Fibonacci zone just light, and what happened is that price just came down this way, tapped into that zone, and from there we went all the way up. If you want to see these trades exactly before I take them, use the link in the description to join my Telegram community. You can also copy my trades automatically by connecting your trading account to Copy Me. Copy Me is a copy trading platform where real traders, including me, take this exact golden zone setup and your account follows along, sized to your own risk. The waitlist is open right now in the description. We are launching really soon. See you there.